I'm not young, I'm stronger. Take a vitamin every day. Sure, you are. Hi to Fall Faker. Hi. Hi. Hello, shout out. I like put powder on my chest. Hi. Yeah, sure you need tall guy friend. Yeah. Hello, Ronald Resurrection. Hi. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so if you have time, you can visit me here in Philippines. I will tell you around my country. You know, you need. Are you sure you like older than you? Guys, you watch my upload videos, guys. Even though my older, you watch. By watching, guys, it's a very big help. Tomorrow I'll be going for walking because I gain more weights because I always eat. Hi there to Helm. Hello. Someday, okay. Oh, yeah. Hello, hi. Shout out. Watching from? Okay, someday we come over here. Oh my god, this one, I don't know what happened to my right shoulder. When I get up, it's aching. You want a massage? Yeah, on my right shoulder. Sure, why not? Share live, guys, share live. And like and share. Hello to my 14 viewers watching. Yes, comment, guys, if you're new to my channel, comment and like, share. And I have also done my join membership. Thank you for my 8 likes. I will show you my dress. I'll show you this. Hi to Jan Sam Chowdhury. Hello. Hello. Hello.